Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to go live on your TikTok. Now first of all, to go live on TikTok you should have 1000 followers and you should be above 16 years old to go live on TikTok. Then only you'll be able to go on live. To go live you'll just have to click on the live option, and they will show you the option of go live, and just click on the option of go live and you will start to live stream on your TikTok app. This is how you guys can go live in your TikTok app. I hope this video helped you guys on how you can go live on your TikTok app. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, tutorials like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.